Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to download 3 fun dating apps. Let's begin with the tutorial. Firstly, open your Google Play Store. Then tap on the search bar. There type 3 fun dating app and see the option of 3 fun. Tap on it. Official ID is 3 fun limited. Tap on install. It might vary with your internet speed, so make sure your internet speed is stable. And in this app you can find your dates. Make sure you are 18 plus to do these activities or to use this app. There you go, you have got your 3 fun app. Let's the 3 fun app. Tap on open and use it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such content.